is so cute.
Snooki or a Parrot.
Usually the ones I see are like brownish color.
Yeah, she's like, I'm lucky she has like silvery white.
Yeah, she's like the exotic one.
But you can get albino too. Like all white with a red eye.
Have you seen that on the zoo? They actually had an albino python.
Oh cool, yeah, and they're yellow, right?
Yeah, just whistled. Very rare.
Hi.
How you doing?
Snoopy, that girl.
The ball python. Hi. Very small. Friendly.
Hello.
It's actually cool when they shed too.
Yeah, I love them. I wish I could like make a suit.
Because they're darker, their colors actually get a little darker.
Yeah, yeah, they look much prettier.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a car? Sorry. Sorry. Hi.
Do you want to see what she has?
I'm busy right now. Call me back. Text me. Okay? Thanks.
Parrot's just trying to talk to everyone now.
Yeah, we have a fair. Why don't you show this?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hello.
Let's
Hello.
get close.
Hello. How are you doing? Hello. Hello. I'm good. Hello. Hi.
Oh my god.
Oh?
We'll be here all weekend. Mine does. She's my parent. She remembers everything I said. These are just a fraction of the animals. Little dudes. You put on the ground. Monkey around. On the ground. Just hold the leash.
Oh, what kind of name?
The snake? It's a ball python. Whoa. You're good. It's the wolf light. Don't bite me. It's pointing at me. Yeah. This one's a starter snake. You start with this one and you see the big one.
Horn is his.
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry.
Horn is his.
It's very cold, so it's very massive. They're beautiful. They're very soft.